For today's word study lesson, you will be working on cursive handwriting. We have worked on several letters so far. Today, you're going to be looking at the lowercase letters B, F, H, K, and L. So, in your reader's notebook today, you will practice writing one line of each of those letters. You will have an entire line of lowercase b's, lowercase f's, lowercase h, lowercase k's, and lowercase l's. After you have done writing each individual letter, you will then have a group of those letter combinations. They are listed here. The first group of lettering is B, F, H, K, L. You will write several groups of those from left to right in your reader's notebook. I would assume you would have roughly 4 groups. The next group on the new line, it will be F, H, K, L, B. Then the next group will be H, K, L, B, F. Next group, K, L, B, F, H. And the last one is L, B, F, H, K. Remember, when you are making these groups, you are not lifting up your pencil. It should be one generous sweep of the letters all the way across connected. Cursive handwriting is not a race. Take your time and make sure you're forming the letters the correct way as your teacher showed you.